If you're looking for a way to start making money online, having a VTU website is the best solution for you. Not just a VTU website, but an automated VTU website. Because most of the things we do now, it requires data so that we can be able to, to start doing whatever we are doing now. So that is why I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create this nice, awesome VTU websites all by yourself and start making cool cash from the comfort of your home. So one thing I love about this VTU website is that it has automatic top up, which means that user that registered on your website or in this VTU platform, they can be able to top up their account automatically without you doing anything. So all they need to do is just to copy the account number and send their funds to it, and their account will be top up automatically. And next thing I love about this VTO website is because it has multiple APIs, unlike other scripts that has one API that you can be able to just insert only one API and use that particular API to run on your transaction, which is not okay. But this one have multiple API, which means that you can collect API from multiple API websites and start using it to do your transactions. Let me just quickly log into the user page. So this is the user page because this is how it's going to look when someone registered and use a laptop to register on this particular platform. So you can see now, so this is how you can see the top up. Look at the features that you can do here. So you can buy airtime, buy data, buy TV subscription, electricity, exam pin. So you can do a whole lot of things just with this particular VTU website. So you can see airtime to cash. People can easily convert their airtime to cash. So in case I want to fund my account, let me just click on this fund account here. So once I click on this fund account, you can see that it automatically generates me, there's going to generate me an account number. This is a personal account number. When someone creates an account in this particular VTU platform, so they are going to have an account number. Is like that is their own personal account number, which they can be used to use that account number to top up their wallets in this particular website. So they can use their card to pay. I just turn off the pay stack. So in your own case, you can just turn it on and they can be able to use their card to pay. And if they want to also do manual transactions, so they can just send their money to this account number that you are going to send to them. So this is how the user page look, and then you can also see the social icon. You can just input your social profile here or your social page, whatever you want to put there, you can just put it here. So the next one is the user page. So this is the admin page now. So this is the admin area. You can see that they look at the pay stack settings. So for you to be able to start making transaction using pay stack, you need to put your pay stack API. Go to pay stack, create your account, and they are going to give you an API. Then you put your pay stack API. Also go for Monify and others. So these are the API settings here. You can see multiples API. So these are the multiples API. If you come to airtime now, if you want to use different API for airtime, look at the APIs that you can, that this is where you are going to connect your API, and this is your dashboard. Anytime you log into this admin area, you want to check how everything is going to your website. So this is how your dashboard looks. So you're going to see every detail and every API you connected on your with your platform. So you are going to be seeing account balance on it, and your total subscribers, your agents, your vendor, and total referrals. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create this website. But before I get started, if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get a notification for that. Before we can be able to create our VTU website, the first thing we need a domain name and a hosting. So you need your domain name and your hosting, and to do that, you can just easily come to Namecheap and get your domain using the link I'll be keeping in the description below. So if you want to get a discount with this, you can just install this plugin, which is this Honey plugin. So I'm also going to be leaving the link to get this plugin. So with this plugin now, you can be able to get a discount of whatsoever you want to purchase on Namecheap. So you can just come to this place and get your domain name and hosting. So if you want to use other hosting, like you can just use like hostinger. But if you want to go for Nigeria hosting, you can use like Lucenthost. And then if you want more about Nigeria hosting, kindly check out the video above this video now, so for you to know more about Nigerian hosting. So once you have already gotten your domain name and your hosting, all you need to do, you need to log into your cPanel. So once you log into your cPanel, you are going to be redirected to this interface like this. So the first step we need to do, we need to upload our scripts and then create a database. So the first one we need to do, we need to upload our scripts by coming to this file manager. You click on file manager. After clicking on file manager, it comes to public_html. So the reason why you're using this public_html is because the domain name we are using is the domain name that is attached with this hosting. So if you have an add-on domain, the add-on domain is going to appear in this site. So but there is no add-on domain here. That is the reason I'm using this main domain. So just come to your public_html. So this is the script you are going to be using. So just click on upload. After clicking on upload, then you click on select file. Once you click on select file, so let me just quickly check the script. So this is the script here. Then you double tap it. Once you double tap it, then it will start uploading to your cPanel. So let me just click no, because I'm not going to upload this again. I've already uploaded it, so I'm just going to click no. So once you upload it, just wait for it to be green before you can be able to go back. So after you have uploaded the script, so go back to your public_html. So this is the script here. Now let me quickly refresh this our website. This is the domain name that you want to install this on. So you can see that this is the script here, and we need to extract this script. By doing that, we need to come back to our file manager and our root domain, tap on this script, then you click on extract. So you just make sure you right click and click on extract, or you can come to this side and click on extract. So just click on extract. Once we click on extract, then the next step we need to do, we need to go and create our database. So for do that, we need to go to our main page. So we need to come to this side. By doing that, I just need to tap on the cPanel logo. So we are going to come to this side. So we need to scroll down to we see my SQL database. So just click on this. So here now we need to create our database name. So by creating our database name, I'm just going to use tutorial. So this is the database name that I want to create. Then I click on create database. Then I go back. So after that, let's create a usual for this database. So by creating a usual, you need to scroll down to you see usual. So you come to this usual. Then I'm also going to use tutorial. Then password, click on password generator. Then you copy this password. Once you copy this password, just open your notepad and then you paste the password, or find somewhere else to paste this password because you are going to be using it. So once you have pasted the password in a safe copy, just check this box that I have copy this password in a safe place and click on use password. So after that, you click on create user. So now let's go back. So now let's add our database to the user. So let's add our database to the user. So this is the user and this is the data. Just click on add. After you have done that, click on all privileges. Once you click on all privileges, then you click on make changes. Okay, so we are done with the database. So let's copy this stuff here so you can see our username and our database. So let me also paste it here. We are going to need this. Okay, so we are done with this part. So now let's go back to our file manager. Let's go back to our file manager. After you come to your file manager, you click on public_html, then click on core, then click on models, then you tap on this model.php, then you click on edit, then you edit the file. So in this place now, we need to replace this detail here with our own information. You can see the database name, the database user, and the database password. So let's quickly do that here. Then you come to this place, this database name. I use same usual, and I just use same name for the two. So just going to copy it once, then I highlight. So I highlight this, I remove and paste. So I also come to this place and do the same thing. I remove and paste. So you can see we need to add our password. So this is the password. Then let's copy the password. Let's copy the password. So this is the password here. I've copied the password. Then let's highlight this, remove and paste. So just make sure that there is no space within it. Make sure that there is no space. So if there is space, remove the space. So this our database and our user. So we have added it. So we click on save changes. Okay, so if you look at this place now, you're going to see an email. Alright, so this an email that is going to be sending all our information to our users. So we just need to create an email and replace it with this one. By doing that, come to your um so just come to your cpanel. So come to your cpanel, tap on email account. Once you tap on email account, tap on this create sign here. So you click on this create, then you add your username. You can be support, admin, or whatsoever you want to put. So just the name, then you put in your password. Once you put in your password, you're going to click on create. Make sure that you remember your password. So once you put your username and your password, and you click on create. Once you click on create, your email will be created automatically. So now let's go and copy our email. So this is my email here. I want to use this email. I can just come here and copy the email and go back, then paste it here. Then I'm going to paste it here. So now let me input my password. Let me input the password. Okay, so this is the password. Then after that, you click on save changes. So now we have clicked on save changes. So let's go to the next part. So the next part, we need to come to our PHP my admin. By doing that, we need to come to our home page. So we need to come to our home page and click on PHP my admin. So this is the PHP my admin dashboard. So first, let's refresh this page and let's check. Okay, so now our website is now functioning, right? But we can't be able to register. So if you want to if you want to register on this platform now, you can't be able to do that. If I click on register now, you can see that the register page is not working. So we need to add our database. So by doing that, you come to the database that you just created, which is this database here. Then tap on it. Then after you have tapped on it, come to this import. Then click on import. Then you select your file. Let me just select my file. I think so. This is the database file here. Just double tap on it. After you have done that, scroll down and click on import. Alright, so if you look at now, you see that import has been successful. So our database has been imported successful. So now let's try to register on this platform again. Let me just refresh this and then click on register. Alright, so you can see we can be able to register. So let me just quickly to register an account. So let me register an account on this platform now. So by doing that, you need to tap on your name. I'm going to use Xander. Then your last name, I'm also going to use Xander. Okay, phone number. I'm going to use this phone number. Then your email, input your email. Want to use this email. Okay, want to use this email. Then after that, click on continue. In this place now, you got to select. You got to select your states. So select my states. Once you select your state, you input your password. So I'm going to be using this as my password. After that, you put in your PIN here. Then you click on register. You can see that our registration is now successful. Click on OK, and now let's log into our account. Okay, so in this place now we need to input our verification code sent to our email. So let me quickly check my email and input the code. Alright, so I've seen the code. Let me input the code 335. I think it's 95. Yeah, 3395. So this is the code here. Then click on verify. Alright, you can see verification, email verification is now successful. So we have now created our account in this platform that we just created. So this is the user interface. You can see your user can do a whole lot of things. So you can be able to do a whole lot of things here. So now, as the admin, you want to log into your admin area. So for you to be able to do that, you need to come to this place. So you just need to come to your main domain. Let me just copy this domain and open in a new tab. So come to your domain, then you paste the name here, then you add the and admin. So you add admin here, admin. Okay, click on enter. No, this is just my CSS. Sorry for that. Let me check. Sorry, is DANN. So just DANN. Okay. So this is the admin dashboard here now. So for you to be able to get this script, just use the link I'll be leaving in the description. So for you to get the script, just need to pay the sum of 20,000 naira only to get this script. So if once you pay the money using the payment gateway that I'll be leaving in the description, you will be directed for the place where you can be able to get your own copy of this script. So you guys will be wondering how, like, the password that I used to to log into this admin area. So you can just easily do that by coming to your PHP my admin. Once you come into your PHP my admin, then you click on system user, which is SYSC user. So you can see the username is manager and the system token is manager, which is this is your username and this is the password. You can see both of them are manager. So once you just put in this manager into the the admin login page, then you are going to be redirected to your login page, which is this dashboard. So in this place now, you can just come to this side and you can see the numbers of people that are registered in your platform. So this is the system user, which is the admin user. So you can add people, you can just add the role, you can set assist admin, or you can add super admin. Super admin have access to all the functions here. So and you can see your usual subscribers. So you can see usual people who have already signed up on your platform. So you can see the one that I just did now. You can either credit me or debit me. So let me say that I want to credit this user. So I want to credit this user. So let me just add like crediting this account like 10,000 naira. Then reason, I will just add commission. Then I click on update. So now you can see that the user has been created. So I've been credited Let me log check my balance here. So this is the account here. Let me just refresh this and let's check. All right, so now let me check. All right, you can see that the 10,000 naira have appeared here. So 10,000 naira has appeared. So with this 10,000 naira, I can use it to do anything that I want to do. But first, for you to be able to start using this, like I say, you need to connect your API. So we have a lot of sites where you can be able to get your API, like n3data.com. So you can use a lot of them. So based on your own research. So for you to be able to get your API, you just need to compare their API. Let me say their data rates, their subscription rates, their airtime rates, their cable subscription. So all those stuff you need to check it, compare it with the one that you want to use, and they compare it with the other one that you have already seen. So just compare it, know the one that is cheaper and one that is reliable, and use the platform. Like I said, you can connect multiple APIs. You can connect multiple APIs in this particular script. So you can see this is the airtime data and this is the wallet. So you can connect multiple API using this script. So you can just add the wallet name. So wallet name, you can add the wallet name and the IP address. So you can just come to this side. If you want to change anything on your site, please just come to site settings. Once you come to site settings, so you can just come to this list, input your site name. Don't forget to do that. Once you input your site name, input the URL of your site. Then this for manual payments. So this for manual payments. If someone wants to send money using this manual payment, let me say I want to add funds now. So and I come to manual payment now. So anything that I add here is going to reflect in this side. So just make sure that you add the manual payment. Then you come to this electricity charges. Then you put the charge that you want to charge whenever someone use this particular action, like use and subscribe their recharge their NEPA bill or whatsoever. So just put the charge here and there. Airtime minimum purchase and maximum purchase. So minimum purchase, that the minimum airtime purchase you want user to purchase. The maximum is the amount, like the highest amount you want user to purchase using on this airtime. So this next one is agent fee. You can add the fee, which is 1,000 naira. The vendor upgrade fee, if someone wants to upgrade to a vendor, you can just put the charge here. So wallet to wallet transfer charge. So you are the one to know how you can be able to put your charges. You can see bonus referral. You can just put all their charges here. So once you do that, you can come to this contact settings. Then this contact settings, now you can put in your phone number, your email, your WhatsApp number, your WhatsApp group, Instagram link. Just put in whatsoever you want to put here. Just make sure that, because all this Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, look at it here now. So these are the functions here. So this is it here now. So just make sure that you input it. Once you input it, then you come to network settings. Then know the one to enable and know the one to disable. So if you want to enable this, you can enable. If you want to disable, just come to your settings, make sure that you add everything according to your test and according to the way you want. So if you come to all service now and you come to data plan, so this is the data plan here now. You can change it to your own. So by doing that, you just need to click on this edit. Then let me say this is the network MTN. You can just put the name and data type. You can see 15 corporate, this SME. Then plan duration, so you can see plan duration, then plan ID, then buying price. So for you to be able to input this buying price, you just need to know the place that you are getting your API from, know how the amounts that they are selling it to you, and you can be able to know the amounts you are going to input to make your own profit. Then this for usual, so you can see. So after that, just click on plan, update plan. then the plan will be updated. So this is how you can be able to create this wonderful website. If you need more about this skill, so you just need to message me using the link I'll be leaving in the description below. And if you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get a notification for that. So see you in my next video.